This GiveIt Forms video is for Donorfy. Please be aware this demo may include features outside of your band. Okay, I'm going to run you through some of the basic constituent fields that are available for GiveIt Forms. I've already added those from the left navigation into the form in question. So we'll start with your name field. This is the constituent name field. When that's open, the configurable options are the visible label for the end user, the sub-label if you choose to use it, and the include title field. To include that, we'll obviously present the title drop-down field. Title choices are set in form settings. There's an earlier video explaining where to find that and how to do that, but this will click you through and it's pretty self-explanatory when you get there. So you can optionally include or omit the title field when you're asking for your constituent name. Else it's going to present the first name and surname fields. The email address field is self-explanatory. All it's going to ask for is the visible label and sub-label. The email address field is always required. What is your gender? This is the gender field. Again, visible label, optional sub-label, and the option to make this a required field or not. The gender choices, like titles, are configured out in form settings. Your phone number, that requires a visible label, optional sub-label, and once again can be configured to be required or not. The name of your organization. This will map through to the organization name field of a profile in Donorfy. That consists of a visible label, a sub-label optional, and once again required or not. And very similar, the date of birth field. This is going to require a visible label, an optional sub-label, and again the option to make this a required field or not. Let's have a look at what all that looks like on the end user side in the preview view. So the name field is going to render a compound field. It's a compound field, so it's rendering a first name and a last name, which will take through and map accordingly. The email address will have validation on it, so if it doesn't find an @ symbol and it doesn't find a domain suffix, it's going to throw up validation errors. Male and female are the only two genders that I have configured in this particular form on the form settings view, so the drop down is filled only with those. Phone number, of course, is not going to take letters through, that would fail validation. The name of the organization, that's free flow, you can do what you like. The date of birth field is rendering as a date field, for which we get this snazzy modal. So those are the basic constituent fields.